Hello and welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars and Ukuleles. This is another really special instrument. Seems everything I make holds that title. This is number 83 and the label says 2019, but that's just when I add the label to the back. And so this was completed in 2020. But this is a baritone ukulele with torrefied spruce top and an extremely special type of wood called Pernambuco. And Pernambuco is also called Brazil wood, and Brazil, the country, was named after this wood. It's what violin bows are made out of, and cello bows, and all the really high-end bows. It's really rare and very expensive, and the neck is also made out of it. So beautiful ukulele, and the pickup jack helps me spin it. If it's not Pernambuco, it's Brazilian rosewood, or spruce. So spruce, torrefied spruce top. Torrefied spruce is when they dry the wood out and it removes impurities. That's the short version of it, but it makes it sound like an aged bit of wood. The bindings are Brazilian rosewood. The bridge and fingerboard are Brazilian. There's a little Brazilian mitered inlay at the 12th fret. The rosette is a mosaic of Brazilian rosewood. Has a side pot which is bound in Brazilian. It also has a arm bevel which is Brazilian rosewood. The back of the headstock and the front of the headstock are Brazilian, slotted headstock obviously. Pernambuco neck and Evo Gold fret wire, Tusq saddle, bone nut. And if that wasn't enough, these tuners are solid sterling silver and engraved, and the buttons are black mother of pearl. And they are the most beautiful tuners I have ever seen. And they cost it too. Something else I did on this one, which I don't normally do, I put I sort of continued the binding down here just to frame this area, just because, you know, why not? I added a tiny bit of color to the back, so it's like a honeyburst. If this was a maple uke, I'd probably call it a honeyburst, but it's just like a light vignetting, just in the usual spots here, the waist and at the butt, and also the heel and up here, just to give it a bit of a different look. Pernambuco is like bright orange, and it does oxidize darker, but it takes a while, so I thought it would just benefit from a little bit of color. It's got a mother of pearl H up here. The other thing is the engraft has a nice purfling kind of vine, which I freehand routed, which was a bit scary / stupid of me. And the triangle is also actually figured Brazilian rosewood. It's tuned like a typical baritone uke, which is the top 4 strings of a guitar. E, B, G, D. And Now I will play it and you'll hear the sound sample. D chord, like on a guitar. Before I scratch it. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. That was just me improvising, and see you next time. Please subscribe and hit the little bell button